We bring a tremendous amount of ease of use to the market. We have a great new product that we're showing here called the Panther.
Imperx is going to expand the Panther family with new models. We're trying to simplify the design of the camera to down the price for end customers.
It's used for presence absence, pattern recognition. It can do counting, it can do color sensing, and we're really excited to showcase it.
Our Panther Smart camera allows to run AI models inside itself. So it significantly simplifies the process of integration of smart cameras to customer solution.
Once you have that in place, we're going to take a moment to talk about the technology to underpin transformation. It's about
because the boundary between human intelligence, robotic intelligence is blurry.
And coming up next year, you're going to continue to see significant enhancements across.
More digitally fluent and more empowered people operating our plant, maintaining our